Python and closed variables. Have a look at this code. I would expect it to print value is true, but it doesn't. Why is this, and what is the solution?
This happens because method_1 gets its own local scope where it can declare variables. Python sees value equals true and thinks you're creating a new variable named value, local to method_1. The reason Python does this is to avoid polluting the outer scope's locals with variables from an inner function. You wouldn't want assignments in regular, module-level functions to result in global variables being created. If you don't assign to value, then Python searches the outer scopes looking for the variable, so reading the variable works as expected, as demonstrated by your method_2. One way to get around this is by using a mutable object instead of assignment. In Python 3, the non-local statement, see also docs, was added for exactly this scenario.
In method_1, Python assumes, quite sensibly, that value is a local variable. Whenever you assign to a variable name inside a function, it is assumed that that variable name is a new local variable. If you want it to be global, then you have to declare it as global, and if you want it to be non-local, in Python 3, you can declare it non-local, but in Python 2, you have to do something uglier, store the value in a container. That avoids having to reassign the variable name, and so avoids the scoping ambiguity.
When you assign to a variable, it assumes the variable is of local scope. So the value in method_1 is not the value in closure. If you want this to work on Python 3, add a line to method_1, non-local value. On Python 2, is one possible workaround.
This is because you are not actually modified the closed over variable, you are masking it with a new one that has the same name. In Python 2.x there is no easy way around this, which is why the non-local keyword was added in Python 3. This can be worked around, however, using mutable types like list and dictionary. There is a good example in this answer.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.